Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all the slimes that I restocked just a couple hours ago, and this will be my final restock. So if you want to snatch, now is the time because I will no longer be selling new slimes. Anyway, this first slime is called Dragon Scales, and it's a beautiful green to gold pigmented slime, and it's super thick and really beautiful. It's scented just like fruit juice, and I will say all these slimes in this video were pretty overactivated. That's just because it's been pretty warm out, so I didn't want any of the slimes to melt and whatnot. So this next one is called Gold, and it's another one of those metallic pigmented slimes. It's also really thick. These two are basically the same texture, and this one just has a gold pigment and it looks really metallic and it's super thick. Also scented like fruit juice. So I just also wanted to say that I'm having a buy 3 get 2 free deal. So you just purchase 3 slimes and I'll put 2 other ones in your package. Next up is Gay Crunch Bar, and it's basically like a twist between like Gay Bar and also like Crunch Bar slimes, because it's kind of like based on both. So it's a really nice crunchy slime texture with rainbow beads and rainbow sprinkles, little heart glitters, and all these little crushed up foam. So I really love this slime. It's so crunchy, and it's also scented like a fireball candy. So this one is Mermaid Cove, and it's actually a slime that you guys helped me make on my Instagram stories. I will be having one of those Instagram followers pick my slime video. But this is a really thick jelly slime scented like sour gummy worms, and it also has fake rainbow sprinkles and pink sprinkles and a lot of glitter in it. So it's just a really nice jelly slime, all around pretty nice. This one is called Blue Raspberry Boba, and it's just a really nice, thick, clear slime with loads of add-ins. It was not really clear here. That's just because it wasn't sitting for a while in this video, but it will be clear when it gets to you. And it has boba beads, fishbowl beads, fake sprinkles, glitters. It has so many add-ins, and it's just the cutest slime. It's a super thick, clear slime, and yeah. So the last one is called Pride, and it's a really nice clear slime with rainbow sprinkles, and it has all these little like color little, I don't know what to call them, but basically it's so fun to mix all the colors in, and it makes a really cute and Instagram worthy slime. It's so fun to mix. My clear slimes are just so holdable and so thick, and they're just so fun to like make clicks with and just like play with. So yeah, I definitely recommend this. So next I just decided to show you guys some big batches. So this is the big batch of Mermaid Cove. And then the last big batch that I have for you guys is the gold pigmented slime. Anyway, I really hope you loved this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and definitely check all these slimes out. They're really low price, really high quality, so link in the description. Please consider purchasing because if you ever want to, this is the last time to. Anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!